Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious sugar cookies without needing a mixer. First, let's prepare our dry ingredients. Grab a large bowl and add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Give these a good whisk until everything is well combined. This ensures your cookies will have a consistent texture and rise beautifully. Next, in a separate bowl, we'll cream together our wet ingredients by hand. Take 1 cup of softened, unsalted butter and 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar, then mix them until light and fluffy. Stir in 2 large eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now, slowly add your dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined to form a soft dough. Once your dough is ready, it's crucial to chill it. Wrap the dough in plastic and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. This makes it much easier to handle. After chilling, lightly flour your work surface and roll out the dough to a consistent 1/4 inch thickness. Now, have fun using your favorite cookie cutters to create all sorts of festive shapes. Finally, it's time to bake your beautiful cookies. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your cut-out cookies on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Let them cool completely on a wire rack before you start decorating with your favorite icing and sprinkles. Enjoy your homemade, no-mixer sugar cookies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.